Are you stuck in a boring job you're overqualified for and don't enjoy? Or have you been laid off because your old career path wasn't going anywhere? Instead, you should be part of one of the most exciting careers around. And with the AIM program at Thomas Nelson Community College, you can be. AIM is Advanced Integrated Manufacturing, a cutting-edge career you can begin after just 2 years of full-time classes at Thomas Nelson and on-location internships at leading local manufacturers. AIM develops multi-skilled technicians for 21st century advanced manufacturing, skilled in all aspects of manufacturing, including design, metals, composites, mechatronics, sensors, and additive manufacturing. At Thomas Nelson, AIM students can earn a lot more and have a lot less student debt. Plus, AIM graduates are in high demand right out of school, which can be the start of a new, exciting, and constantly evolving career for you. Find out more today about the career of the future, the AIM program at Thomas Nelson Community College. AIM for success.